lot of discussion, and like we made it is like a off day event. So off day event, and it is like a conclave or panel discussion or conference. So three option we given, and so based on that you already selected some kind of topics. But this time we are planning to go for World Book of Record London. We already communicated the application to them. We are going for gold category. So we are going for gold category, World Book of Record London. So they actually thought to give the idea. So our continuous 25 days event to be in generalized common theme. Some common theme has to be there. In that theme only, we need to conduct a event. So that is the reason we are again you have to do all the same process. So what we decided, so you have to conduct a conclave, conduct a conference. One day will be allotted for each department. So that day, minimum half day you have to conduct, maximum 1 day or 2 day. How many days if you want, you can take it, no issue in that. Minimum half day you need to conduct. It is like a online event only. It is must, it has to be a conclave or panel discussion or conference. So only any three you need to choose. But the condition is topic to be related to your advanced technology. Related to your advanced technology. Let us example, if civil engineering is there, they have to choose a futuristic topic, and that topic only the conclave has to be there. That topic only the conclave has to be there. So got it? What I am telling, civil engineering is there, or if electrical engineering is there, so their conclave to be there in the electric vehicle. So conclave in electric vehicle, that is what the thing. So you have to choose here technology, which technology or which research area or which domain you are going to discuss. You have to discuss a common domain, so that overall our 25-day conclave will be like a discussion on future advancement technology. Like that we can coin discussion on future advanced technology, so that under that all the concept will be there. So this is actually the idea for that. Now it is open for discussion. Rajkumar, you can invite the members to put their views, then we can finalize that.
Kripa madam.
Yes sir, good afternoon sir.
Madam, your ideas on the...
More than idea, I have a small doubt to clarify. Like if he's saying advanced technology means, for example, in computer science, we should take like something based on AI, or is it like that?
AI, business analytics.
Yes, machine learning, like that. No need to go in deep. Generalized topic is enough.
But again, conclave type means, how can we have for throughout the day, sir? Is it possible?
No. Minimum half day, ma'am. Half day means 3 hour session, ma'am. 3 hours. You will call initially 20 minutes. It will go for inauguration. Then solid will get only 2 hours only.
Okay. I think we can do it, sir.
Minimum 4 or 5 to 6 speakers must be there, ma'am.
Okay, sir. I think we can do it, sir. Right now I don't have suggestions, but I think we have to work on it, and it will come out well, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Thank
you. Next, may I know anyone interested?
Good afternoon, sir. This is Vigneshwari from Education, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am.
I have a small clarification that the resource person needs to be from our alumni. Is it, sir?
Yes, ma'am. In that, no secondly thoughts and all, madam.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Ismail sir.
Sir, I don't have a question because I have one question, small question. Sir, is the need to 4 to 5% person is speaker?
Sir, Ramesh sir, will you answer it or shall I?
No, Enna sir, what is the
Sir,
question?
Sir, compulsory whether we need to set 4 to 5 speaker for the conclave or that.
Yes, sir. Minimum more than four only. Then it will be looking like a conclave, sir. If you call only two speaker, it will be no, it is not. You can't able to make it the program for minimum 2 hours like that.
So actually, we have planned last time panel discussion with our alumni. Sir, due to the postman, we are not able to conduct, but we are now trying to fix 4 persons. Thank you, sir.
Okay. No. What is the reason is previously we choose to topic related to career opportunities, COVID, and a lot of other. Now we are not going for that type of topic because we need a common. See the world record they will give. We need to choose a common platform, common theme. Then that is the reason we are going to choose the technology as the common theme. So
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. We will look up with our department side only. Right.
okay.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, sir.
Vivekanandan sir, welcome sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, that speaker is from alumni side or from anyone, sir? That our alumni, sir. That speaker.
100% from alumni, sir.
Sir, as we first batch only we have now only our first batch went out, sir.
Pharmacy, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Pharmacy we have relaxed, sir.
So pharmacy, you no need to contact, sir, because we already removed you from the that because it is very tough for you to conduct a conclave. Now only
okay,
the first batch is going on, no. So you can
yes,
next year you will do the program.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Final, madam.
Sir, the same doubt only, sir. We are also having only 3 batches only went out, sir. Now only one person only working in 2 persons only working in TCS, and one is studying higher studies in PhD. Sir.
Ma'am, which department, ma'am?
Max department, sir.
Max department.
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
MSc also now only first batch. I think so. First batch only they are passed
And
out students.
you have MPhil Max students, no, ma'am?
Yeah, sir.
You can call that students because already 4-5 years back itself, MPhil students are going out now.
Okay, sir. Okay. I thought only MSc and BSc.
MPhil, ma'am, MPhil and PhD also
yeah.
you can call, ma'am.
Okay. Then it's okay.
PhD from MGR also alumni only. So
Okay, then
all
it's okay.
department, you can call your PhD scholars from MGR also. They are also alumni only.
Okay, sir. Then okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Meera, madam, MCA. Kindly unmute yourself, madam.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Same doubt like Kripadevi ma'am said. No? Now I understood, sir. No suggestion, sir. We'll work on that.
Fine, madam. Thank you.
Thank you,
Sangeeta,
sir.
madam.
Yeah, Rajkumar, enough. No need to ask all. If anyone having doubt, they will clear that. Then we'll go to the next item.
Any further doubts regarding this event? Sir, we can go to next agenda, sir.
Okay, right. So how we are going for is next week Monday we will share you the Excel sheet. So next week Monday we will share you the Excel sheet. In that Excel sheet you need to book your date from September 25 to continuous 25 days will be allotted there. You have to book your date and you have to first you book your date. Next week is for booking the date. After booking the date, we will give 1 week time. 1 week time to finalize the topic. So because you want to finalize the topic, after that we will release the poster. So you can't able to change it.
Sorry, excuse me, sir.
So we have to. So that is the reason. So you have to next week Monday morning, Monday around 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Just a minute. Okay, 10 ಕೊಟ್ರು. Biscuit வாங்கிருக்கீங்க. Okay, so next week you will get a Excel sheet. In that Excel sheet, you have to book the date first. So once dates are blocked by the departments, then 1 week time is given, and within that week you have to discuss with the department heads and finalize the department heads and department with alumni also. You have to discuss with the alumni and finalize the theme or title. Finalize the title. So after finalizing the title, then we will go for the already we have some poster. We will go for the poster. Till that, within another 1 or 2 weeks, we will get a approval from World Book of Record. Once we will get a approval from World Book of Record, and then we will get a detail from you. Then we will go for releasing the posters. So this is the information. So if you not able to block the date, then it is difficult. So you be immediately block the date coming Monday, next Monday. So second agenda. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, actually, alumni will be free in only Saturdays, sir. Already I discussed with them. Even we have also September 18th onwards, we have the college, no?
Correct.
Continuous date means weekdays, how it is possible, sir?
Madam, it is not, you can conduct the event in the 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock, like that. No issue, ma'am.
Okay.
Because alumni comfortable, because last time what happened, no, we asked alumni to, our conclave, we asked alumni to conduct in the evening, but they told, no, sir, we will conduct in the 2 o'clock, like that. Then only we rescheduled that.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So there is a two thing, ma'am. You fix the time, and with respect to that time, which alumni are coming, fix them as a speaker and proceed. Second option, fix the speaker. Based on the convenience of the speaker, you can fix the time. It is depending upon the from morning 9 o'clock to evening 9 o'clock, whatever the time, no problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So second agenda is our scholarship. You all know that we have the scholarship except health sciences, all in department having the scholarship. This time we added another one option called faculty referral alumni, like that. In the alumni scholarship application, there is one additional we added, that is a faculty referral. For example, Kriba ma'am. So Kriba ma'am, if referred some alumni, madam name has to come there. So like that it is there. So I request you have to, we already communicated email to all the staff members. I request you have to communicate that to the department and make it inform to all the faculty, so that the faculty will start go for the alumni referral. So at least we need to send the information to all alumni. Already we are getting some good response. So what we are going to do, the alumni who referred more than 5, more than 10, more than 15, more than 20 will be rewarded by the president. More than, it chart with more than 5, more than 5, more than 10, more than 15, more than 20, like that will be rewarded. So this we can't able to send it through circular. That is what we are communicating in the meeting. And this I request you have to communicate to the department staff as a oral communication. Any doubt in this scholarship, ma'am? You can have a discussion. So if any students will ask, you can tell minimum 20% scholarship. Minimum 20%. After that, it will be depending upon the department, like that. Department, their marks, like that.
So can we forward it to our staff, or you will be sending us?
Ma'am, you have as a coordinator, you have to forward to the staff, ma'am. We already communicated through email. We don't know whether the email reached. You all already received the email from our office, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We received, but actually, this is not clarified. It is like general normal mail which you will be sending from.
That is what I would like to purposely call you all to explain today. So you have to make, you can have one meeting with the department and inform to the department.
Or else you will talk to HOD, or through HOD you will be conveying, or
Whatever it is, ma'am, but the information to be communicated to all the faculty members.
Sir, at least you prepare one circular, sir. Better.
No, we can't put circular like reward award, ma'am. That is what I called a meeting here.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. You can ask, anyway, you have the department meeting is there. You can convey a meeting and inform all the faculty members.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma'am. So third one, not in the agenda. We are in the process already to our website work completed. We are working on the profile book. 2 profile book completed, and the third entrepreneur's profile book is going on work. Maybe another 10 or 15 days we will complete it, and we will go for the launch of the website, launch of the Ma Connect, and launch of the book. This 3 part. And this year we need to, last year members we connected in our Ma Connect, like Unma Connect. This year also we need to connect. Already students written the exam. So from today, Rajkumar will send the Excel sheet. So you again, like what you did last time, you have to fill the Excel sheet and send it to us. We will upload it and we will go ahead by the processing. This time we are waiting for the software updation is going on. Automatically it will give the membership ID card and certificate process is there. That is the reason we are waiting. Once that process is over, we will be intimated. Anyway, today they will send you information for collecting the data, and approval process, it will take little time. Rajkumar, you can send that Excel detail today, Rajkumar, to all the members and start collecting the information within this week.
Okay, sir. We will email you by today evening, sir. Madam, any other doubt regarding this, madam? Suchitra, madam? Deepa Lakshmi, madam?
No, sir. No doubt. No,
Thank
sir.
you,
No
thank you,
doubt.
madam. Shall we
No doubt,
conclude
sir.
the meeting, sir?
You can conclude.
I thank Dr. Professor L. Ramesh for facilitating the alumni staff coordinators with all the details for the further processing of the admissions, as well as for the alumni referrals, and also the forthcoming alumni event, record event. I thank once again to all the faculty staff members for supporting this event. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.